During the 1927 Mississippi flood, a small town clung to its dreams as water rose like a shadow over the levees. A courier named me survived by paddling a battered boat through rising currents, delivering urgent messages between shelters and farms. Her cargo wasn't letters, but essential maps showing rising dikes, guiding aid workers to critical pockets of safety. As dawn broke, me's stubborn courage stitched the scattered towns into a fragile, hopeful line of resilience. The flood finally receded, but me's silent roots forever reshaped how communities plan disaster response.